the first lesson, Chris. Again, we just talked about face, trying to keep that squared impact to get the ball started on the right trajectory, the right line. And then the next lesson, we're going to worry more about the direction that the ball's going once it is in the air. But for this one, I would say with practice between sessions, just keep doing those drills that we worked on. If you ever feel like you're slipping back to your old ways, which is going to happen, so every 5 or 10 shots, just feel yourself doing the same thing over again. And you'll just keep building on that till the next lesson, and we'll work on something else.
Hitting that tee was difficult, you know, getting the club coming inside, but I think the other 2 drills helped out with that. The leg back, gotta focus and practice on that more.
All right, perfect. So talk about practice. Going from here until the next lesson, we're going to be working on short game. So between now and then, you want to just keep working on the face like we worked on in lesson number 1. And you want to work on that path. So whenever you need to throw a drill in there on the range, I'd say every 10 to 15 balls you hit, you want to throw the drill in, try and get you back on track. And then you take the drill out, a few more balls, then go back to it if you need. All right. And next lesson, we worked on chips and pitch shots. Basically, with the chip shot, we wanted to make sure you don't use too much wrist. So we did the drill there where you kept your hands down and made sure that the grip of the club doesn't hit the side of your body. So that's perfect there. With the pitch shots, we wanted to take the club back halfway as far as we do our follow through, just to make sure we're accelerating through the ball there, making clean contact. And so with practice this week, I would say just basically work on those 2 things there. Number 1, that drill that we did there, do that every few shots with your chipping, because that's probably what needs the most work. Make sure you keep your wrists nice and steady there and don't overuse them. And then next week we're going to do our first playing lesson, where we're going to work on a pre-shot routine, kind of do more of the mental game. And then our second playing lesson the following week, we're going to work more course management and how you go about the course so that your missed shots are in the right place and that you can recover from bad shots. Pre-shot routine, working on that mental game to block out the bad shots or even the good shots that we just had. In addition, thinking about the next shot we got ahead of us, just to clear our mind. So basically, just keep doing that in your practice.